Have you ever wondered how to grow on social media and make money from it? In the digital age, social media platforms have become the new marketplace. It's a bustling, vibrant space where creativity meets opportunity. Why is social media growth so important? Let's think about it. The more you grow, the more people you reach. And the more people you reach, the more impact you can make, whether that's spreading a message, selling a product, or building a brand. But it's not just about numbers. It's about connection, engagement, and building a community. And here's the exciting part. This isn't just about likes and followers. It's about turning that growth into income. Yes, you heard it right. Social media platforms can be a potential goldmine, providing numerous ways to monetize your content and audience. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Stay tuned to learn a step-by-step guide on how to grow on social media and make money from it. Before you start your journey to social media growth, it's vital to understand your audience. In the world of social media, understanding your audience is akin to having a superpower. It's the secret ingredient that turns a regular post into a viral sensation, a simple idea into a worldwide trend. Why is understanding your audience so important, you may wonder? Well, when you understand your audience, you can tailor your content to their interests, their needs, and their passions. You are no longer just a content creator, but a storyteller, weaving narratives that resonate with your followers on a personal level. But how do you get to know your audience? The answer lies in research. Delve into the demographics of your followers. Are they young or old? Are they predominantly male or female? What are their hobbies, their professions, their dreams? Social media platforms offer a wealth of data on your followers. Use this to your advantage. Analyze the posts that get the most engagement. What do they have in common? Perhaps it's the tone of voice, the type of content, or even the time of posting. Remember, each social media platform attracts a different audience. A strategy that works on Instagram might not be as effective on LinkedIn. Therefore, it's crucial to adapt your approach depending on the platform you're using. Once you've gathered all this information, it's time to create content that resonates with your audience. This could be anything from a motivational quote that uplifts their spirits to a behind-the-scenes glimpse of your day-to-day life that makes them feel connected to you. Keep in mind, the goal is not to create content that you think your audience will like, but content that you know they will love. This is the difference between guessing and knowing, between hoping and being certain. In the end, understanding your audience is about creating a connection, a bond that goes beyond the superficiality of likes and shares. It's about creating a community, a tribe of loyal followers who not only engage with your content, but also advocate for it. Once you understand your audience, you can start to create engaging content that they will love. Creating engaging content is the key to social media growth. This is a mantra we've all heard time and again, but what does it really mean? Well, let's break it down. Engaging content is not just about producing lots of posts. It's about quality over quantity. It's about creating content that sparks conversations, fosters relationships, and builds a community. Think about it this way. Would you rather have 1,000 followers who barely interact with your posts or 100 followers who actively engage and share your content? Now, how do you create this engaging content? The first tip is to be authentic. Authenticity resonates with people. They can tell when you're being genuine and they respond to it. Next, aim to educate, inspire, or entertain. People are more likely to engage with your content if they find it valuable or enjoyable. And don't forget to include a call to action in your posts. Encourage your followers to like, comment, share, or even click on a link. Another key aspect of creating engaging content is consistency. This doesn't mean you have to post every day. It means that your content should consistently reflect your brand and your message. If you're all over the place, it's hard for your followers to know what to expect from you, and that can lead to lower engagement. Finally, use your content to attract and retain followers. This can be done by creating content that your target audience finds relevant and interesting. And remember, it's not enough to just attract new followers. You also need to keep them. This is where the importance of engaging content really shines. When your followers feel connected to you and your content, they're more likely to stick around. So, let's summarize. To create engaging content, you need to focus on quality over quantity. Be authentic, provide value, be consistent, and use your content to attract and retain your followers. Remember, quality content is king in the world of social media. Every post is an opportunity to connect with your audience, so make every piece of content count. Social media tools can help you streamline your process and increase your growth. Now let's delve into the world of these digital helpers. First up, we have scheduling tools. Imagine having the ability to plan your posts ahead of time, freeing you from the constant need to update your feed. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later allow you to schedule posts for different social media platforms all in one place. This way, you can ensure you're consistently engaging your audience, even on those days when you're swamped with other tasks. Next, we move on to analytics tools. These are your secret weapon to understanding how well your content is performing. Platforms like Sprout Social or Social Bakers provide detailed insights into your post's performance, audience demographics, and even the best times to post. Understanding these metrics is crucial to tweaking your strategy and making data-driven decisions. Finally, let's talk about engagement tools. These tools help you foster a sense of community and interaction among your followers. Tools like Agorapulse or Sprinkler allow you to manage all your comments, messages, and mentions in one place, ensuring you never miss an opportunity to engage with your audience. But remember, while these tools are incredibly helpful, they are not a substitute for high-quality, engaging content. Their job is to amplify your efforts, not to do the work for you. They are like the spices in a recipe. They can enhance the flavor, but can't replace the main ingredients. So, take some time to explore these tools and find what works best for your social media strategy. Some tools may offer free trials or have a free version with limited features, so you can test them out before fully committing. Remember, the goal here is not to get overwhelmed by all these tools, but rather to find ways to make your social media management more efficient and effective. With the right tools, you can save time and focus on creating quality content. After all, in the world of social media, content is and will always be king. Now that you have a growing social media presence, it's time to monetize it. Monetizing your social media doesn't have to be complicated or daunting. In fact, it can be an exciting journey that opens up new opportunities for you. Let's dive into some of the most effective ways to monetize your social media. First up, sponsored posts. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can help them reach their target audience. If your follower base aligns with a brand's target market, they might just pay you to promote their products or services in your posts. But remember, authenticity is key. Promote products that you genuinely love and believe in, because your followers trust your judgment and wouldn't appreciate being misled. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product and earning a commission each time a purchase is made through your unique referral link. It's a win-win situation. The brand gets increased sales, and you get a cut from each sale. A great place to start is with products that you already use and love. Lastly, selling your own products or services. This is where the real magic happens. If you have a product or a service that you're passionate about, social media is the perfect platform to share it with the world. Whether it's an ebook, a course, or even a physical product, the opportunities are endless. A word of advice: always be transparent with your followers. If you're promoting a sponsored product or an affiliate link, let them know. Honesty builds trust, and trust is the foundation of a strong social media presence. In conclusion, monetizing your social media is all about finding what works for you. Experiment with different methods, see what resonates with your audience, and most importantly, enjoy the process. After all, social media is about connecting, engaging, and bringing value to your followers. With the right strategy, you can turn your social media into a money-making machine. So let's get out there, create, connect, and start monetizing. Let's recap what we have learned today. We started our journey by understanding the importance of social media growth and how it can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. We then moved to the crucial step of understanding your audience. Knowing who they are, what they like, and how they consume content sets the foundation for your social media strategy. Next, we delved into creating engaging content, the heart and soul of any social media platform. It's all about capturing attention, stirring emotions, and inspiring action. We also explored the world of social media tools, which are invaluable in scheduling posts, analyzing data, and managing your platforms efficiently. Finally, we discussed monetizing your social media. Whether it's through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services, there are countless ways to turn your followers into a source of income. Remember, social media growth is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep earning.